Hello, Vanakkam and Namaste. Welcome to Sudha's Empty Plate. Today, I'm going to cook a very typical Kerala item. This is called Keerai Aviyal, made with the red keerai or the red amaranth. This is a very healthy dish. Each dish is very unique in its taste and appearance. So, according to the food we are making, the way we chop the vegetables also differ. First, I have separated the leaves and the stem. The stem was cleaned and I have cut them into pieces of 2 to 3 inches in length. The leaves, I have chopped them into very thin strands. This gives the unique texture and appearance to this Keerai Aviyal. I prefer cutting the amaranth leaves before washing them because I find it easier to cut them into fine strands like this when they are dry. The leaves and the stem of the amaranth are washed separately and kept to drain the moisture from them. Heat a pan on medium and add half teaspoon oil to it. Now add the 3 red chilies to it and fry them till they are crisp and done. I am doing this in the same pan as I would be making the aviyal. Once the chilies are fried, remove from heat and let them to cool. Into the same pan, add the stems of the amaranth and also add along with them half a cup of water, just enough for the stems to cook nicely. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix well. This salt is only for the stems alone. Cover with lid and cook on medium heat for around 5 to 7 minutes till the stems are half to 3/4 done. It's time to add the thinly sliced mangoes to it. Don't be surprised by the change in color of the stem. You will see that the vibrant red color returns once the leaves are added and also when all the extra moisture gets absorbed. Cover with the lid and cook till the stems and the mangoes are done and soft. In the meantime, let's get the masala ready for the Keerai Aviyal. Sorry, due to some technical snag, the ingredients getting added on to the mixer jar couldn't be captured properly. I will explain what all have to be added to the mixer jar for grinding. Add 1 tablespoon of raw rice, the 3 fried red chilies, 2 cups of coconut. Grind them to a smooth paste with minimal water. The stems and the raw mango are very well cooked and soft. The water has been completely absorbed. It's time to add the amaranth leaves to it. I won't be adding any extra water here because the leaves have a lot of moisture which will be released in the process of cooking. Earlier we had added only half a teaspoon of salt. Now rest of the salt to taste has to be added. Cover with the lid and cook till the leaves are done. Stir occasionally. You can see that the stem and the leaves are very well cooked. They have not stuck to the bottom and the water content has almost been absorbed. At this stage, we can add the masalas which have been ground earlier. Incorporate the coconut paste well. Check for the taste and if there is any need for salt, you may please add it. Mix the aviyal well and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes in simmer so that the remaining moisture gets completely absorbed, the coconut paste gets cooked and a nice texture is attained. Add 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix it in well. The tasty Keerai Avial is ready to be served hot. This is one of our favorite in the family. Thanks for watching the video and happy cooking!